Hey ladies, this is your girl Shirley Couture. I'm back, and as you can see, I am still rocking my afro. This is like my everyday go-to wig. I mean, I throw it on in the morning, I shake, and I'm out the door. Like, there is nothing. I mean, this is my go-to wig. But today I'm actually gonna install a frontal wig. This is actually one of my old wigs. I've been wearing it with no glue, no tape, no nothing, with just the elastic band. But I trimmed her down. I trimmed her down a little bit. She used to be 24 inches. And we're about to install her. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens. Okay, so for this install, these are a few items you guys gonna need. An edge brush, a few clips. I'm using the Ghost Bond Supreme today. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ghost Bond Supreme. A pair of scissors, some alcohol spray, 99% alcohol. The Got To Be spray, Niobe foam wrap, or you can use Lotto Body also, and the Got To Be gel. Alright, so let's get started. I was debating on should we do a cap or no cap, but I think I'm gonna try a cap. I actually never did a. We're gonna try the cap today. Alright. So first thing first, we're gonna take our Got To Be gel and we're gonna put it all on these edges. Slick them back. Oh, I also forgot the main thing. You need a comb. A comb or a brush, but a rectangle comb will probably be better for you. Rectangle comb. I'm trying to do this and using the camera as my mirror. So you can slick everything back. My edges come out pretty far, even though they really thin. They are growing back slowly, as you guys can see, but you know, try to slick everything. There you go. Everything back. And take your rectangle comb to help you out. Don't be cheap with the Got To Be. Put as much on there as you need, especially if your edges are way thicker than mine, because you're gonna need it. Alrighty. So once you do that, we gotta take the, ooh, there go my, ooh, there go my hair. Alright, so you're gonna take the cap and you're gonna bring it all the way down, sit it right under your ear. Y'all seen this in plenty of videos, so this is not the hardest part. my edges go down so far. And then take your blow dryer. This is gonna take a few minutes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Let's get to cutting. I'm trying not to cut
What if you woke up one day and suddenly realized
your own edges or your ears. It's very important not to cut your ears because you will need them.
would you have chosen the person that is in your life right now?
Okay, try to cut as close as possible. I'm trying to do this on camera. I don't really like it too far down my forehead, so I'm gonna pull this back some more, a little bit more. Just cut it maybe right in here. But you know, just shape it to your hairline, however your hairline or the hairline that you want to create, because it's all about your imagination. So the cap is down. I'm gonna use some Got2b spray to lay down these little pieces that's kind of rolled back. So you're gonna spray it across. I feel like this piece is gonna be too far down, so I'm gonna just cut it. Ah! Okay, I didn't cut my edges. Whew. Now you're gonna take the blow dryer for this one. And you're gonna go right across. You're gonna use a rag tackle and just This is the cabinet that. Alright, so I'm back. Um, the cap looked good enough. It's a little bit dark, but I don't want it really light, especially because on the wig the knots are bleach on it, so I don't want it to be too light. So I'm not gonna add no makeup or anything. Let's try the wig on. Yeah, I'm not gonna add any makeup because it looks perfectly fine to me. But what I will do, yeah, no makeup. Take my clips, clip the wig back, find out exactly where and how I want it to sit. I want the front to sit here, so my sides gonna be right here. No, that's too far down my forehead. So I'm gonna do it here and here. Yep, that'll work for me. All right. Just a little extra lace in here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it back and then we're gonna add the lace glue. So I'm dabbing like itty bitty drops, like barely a drop. I'm literally just dabbing itty bitty amount of glue right on the hairline. And then I'm gonna take my Frontal comb and I'm gonna just smear it out so it could be flat instead of bumpy. Make sure no hair is in there. as I'm putting it on, you guys could see it's getting lighter, so it's drying up slowly, because once it turns clear, that means it's completely dry. Okay, take the blow dryer, put it on. Take the blow dryer, put it on cool. That's it. And now I go section by section, so I'm gonna do the top first. Right, so once you lay it, don't mess with it. Don't mess with it too much. Make sure there's no lumps, because you don't want. I see some extra lace here that I'm gonna just trim. Pull the hair back and just trim that off. Like I said, this is not a new unit, it's an old one that I had for a while. So there has been some shedding done to it, and these are just the extra laces that you could just trim off. So once you do that, run your hands in it, make sure there's no lump. If you do have a lump, lift this up slightly before it dries completely and just bring it up closer to the front. And since I don't like the lace sitting on my forehead, this extra piece right here, I'm gonna trim that right off. Trim. Oops. Trim that right off. So once you've done that, you're gonna pull it back again, and you're gonna do your second layer in the spots where the glue didn't really. And then you're gonna add. What I usually do, I take a plastic or a cardboard and I dab a drop of glue, about this much. I don't know if you guys can see it, this much. And I take my rectal comb and I go right in. And I go right underneath where I need the glue. trying to do this on camera so you guys. Mayasa. Funky naturel. Underneath where I need the glue. I'm trying to do this on camera so you guys. Mayasa. Funky naturel. That's what they say. But they don't matter because at the end of the day, it's your head, it's your body, and you do what makes you feel good. So if you want to wear a wig today, then wear a wig today. If you want to wear your natural hair, then wear your natural hair. There's no need to hate on each other at all. We are beautiful in our own ways. So I'm gonna do one side at a time. And then I'm just gonna go in, press it down, press it down, press it down, press it down, and press it down. Try to get the hair out of the way, definitely. The extra white pieces you guys see is my makeup blending in with the glue, but we'll take that out at the end with some rubbing, 99% rubbing alcohol. Alright, so now let's do the other side. Like I said, I'm trying to do this on camera. So once you're done securing the front, you're gonna take the blow dryer and cool. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my wig grip. Gonna get some of this glue off my hand. So spray some rubbing alcohol and just kind of like. Okay, back to the video. So this is very good. I'm gonna go under the dryer and I'll see you in a few. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, make sure your hair doesn't get caught in this regular thing. Alrighty. This wig has some baby hair. I'm not really a big fan of the baby hair. This wig has some baby hair. I'm not really a big fan of the baby hair. So the ones that are already kind of attached, when I glue it down, I'm just gonna leave those and then try to comb her out a little bit, because y'all know curly hair looks good, but she does take some maintenance. So make sure you comb her out. Take your time and comb her out real nicely. Start from the bottom and work your way up to the top. In this unit, I had it for about 6 going on 7 months. I got it from Number One Beauty on Janya Colonial. Janya in Colonial. This one is a front lace pineapple curl. It was 24 inches and I cut it. So go check them out. They have some nice stuff. You know, you just gotta take your time and keep track of your budget. Because what you pay for, you get what you pay for. That I will say over and over and over again. You get what you pay for. So you're gonna comb her out nicely. Try to remove some of these extra baby hair. I'm not gonna pin her back in a ponytail or anything today, but I will have another video on showing you guys how to pluck, you know, them out if the front is too thick. Like this one is a little bit thicker in some areas, like right here. So I would take a thin layer in the front, pull that down. I won't pluck that baby hair part, and behind the baby hair I will go with my tweezer and just pluck some of the extra hair out. It's better to do it before, but I'm not plucking a lot, just this little area that seemed a little too thick for me. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Actually, this side just a little bit, because this side don't really need much work. So this glue is attached to my head. As y'all can see, I am plucking while the wig is on my head and glued, and nothing is lifting or anything. So you're gonna take the comb and comb out everything you just plucked out. Take out that extra hair and toss it. And for this unit, for today, for the video, I'm gonna do a middle part, because I always do a side part. So today I'm gonna do a middle part. Oops. I'm using my edge brush, you guys. Don't judge me. Oh, and one little thing I completely forgot is my wax stick. So let me grab that real quick. The one I have with me today is the one by MC7, but there's the Care, there's one, there's a few of them out there and they are really good. So whichever one you have, you're gonna make your part and then you're just gonna glide it right down the middle. And one side is always thicker than the other, especially dealing with curly hair. So once I do that, I'm gonna get my hot comb, plug that in, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. What to do next. Alright, while my hot comb is heating up, let me make sure I get my part nice and straight. Spray some alcohol. Clean the end of your rectangle comb. And get your part as nice and straight. This little piece up here is too thick, so I'm gonna just pluck. told you guys before, this is an old unit, so I don't know what's going on with this up here. Take a closer look and see. Okay, much better. You know what? I don't like this little piece sitting up front, so I'm gonna just cut that right out. Oh no, I can't. Because if I pluck it, I'm gonna pluck it actually. Because I can't cut it out. If I do, I'm gonna be missing a good amount of my lace. There you go. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm gonna cut a little bit of it off, just a tad bit. All right, much better. Now that my hot comb is hot and I got my parts situated a little bit, we're gonna take the hot comb and the heavy part, the part that don't wanna lay down. You're just gonna flatten that out. I look so weird with the middle part. I never been a big fan of middle parts, but we're gonna do it for this video. For the sake of this video, so the hair's combed out, my middle part is in. Alright, so let me grab my spray bottle. I might do, no baby hair, because I have a middle part, so no baby hair on this one. Let me grab the spray bottle. That was fast. So I'm gonna spray the top, and then I'm gonna spray the hair. I usually section it in two. Start from the bottom, saturate it all the way, as much as you can. Flip it up, spray, grab your wig brush and comb it from the bottom and work your way to the top. Always from the bottom, work your way to the top. And then as you comb, you crunch her up. You still need some more water. Don't be scared with the water. Saturate her. Saturate, saturate, saturate. If you have a towel, it'll be great to put it on right now, but I'm okay. So you wet it and then you just crunched it up. Crunched it up. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Take it, spray it out, make it rain, make it rain. Then you take your brush, you comb it from the bottom, and you work your way up to the top. Again, this is the old wig. I flat ironed this wig. I wore it bone straight. So my curls definitely loosened up. But again, I had this for almost 7 months. And as you can see, there has been some shedding. But She's still here and she's still alive. And she's perfect because I'm able to do this demo for you guys today with her. So, wet, 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 wet. Drip, 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 drip. So make sure you comb it from bottom up. And then crunch. Crunch. Crunch it up. This one needs more water because I didn't go underneath and wet her. Am I running out of water? I was running out of water. There we go. And then spray, spray, spray. Go on the inside. Spray, spray, spray. This is your dream. Wet it. Wet your dream. Oh my gosh. I always wear this wig in a side part. Always. Y'all seen this wig on me a few times. Y'all might not think it's the same one or know it's the same one, but it's the same one. And I never wear her in the middle part. I always do the side part. Always on the side part. Alrighty, so she's all nice and wet. Wet, wet. Wet, wet. She's all nice and wet. So section it in two, and then I'm gonna take the Niobe mousse, put some in my hand. Not too much, just, you know. And then just run it through the hair. Run it, run it, run it. Run it through the hair, and then take the ends and saturate the ends. Only the ends. Take the ends and saturate the ends. Once you're done with that, take a little bit of mousse, dab it at the top where the part is. This is her, so you don't have to do a middle part. I have some errands to go run, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a nice day. I will see you again, and I will definitely have some pictures for you guys at the end of this video, just to see a few ways that I wore her, installed her, and everything. Bye. Thanks for watching. Middle part is definitely not for me. But let me not say that. I gotta get used to it, I guess. And this is my favorite part, my side part. Right here. This a little bit deeper. I'm gonna play with her while she's wet before she dries up on me, and then I can't move her around anymore. she looked thin, but wait till she's dry. And again, this is a 6-month-old wig. So we had some good times. We really did. We had some good times. So again, this is your girl Jolie Couture. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Once again, this is your girl Jolie Couture. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.